Hello everyone, we're here for another episode of Cooking with the Cajun. Today we're going to pick the SeaPak Shrimp. It's frozen. We're going to put it in Emeril Power Air Fryer 360 XL and we're going to see how it does. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Now we got all the shrimp. Put the shrimp on the basket. We left a little baking tray below to catch the drippings, anything that may fall through the screen. We're going to set it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. It's going to be good. I can't wait. Bella, you want to say hello? Good girl. The Power Air Fryer is warming up. As soon as it gets to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, the timer is going to start counting down. Should be any moment now. Here we go. We're at 425 degrees. And the counter is counting down. So now we'll be back here in a little while to show y'all the progress of the shrimp. We're about halfway through. Look at them brown golden shrimp. Boy, they look like they're coming out real good. I can't wait. We could smell them. Bella's over there looking like she can't wait to have a treat. But she loved that bacon we had on episode 1. She had some bacon treats and it was real good. Here we go. We got less than 15 seconds left. The air fryer is doing its job. Nice smelling, good looking shrimp. I'm telling you, this is going to be nice. Here we go. Oh, look how nice those shrimp look. Let me get some out and show them to you. Well folks, here we are. We got our nice SeaPak shrimp. The air fryer cooked them at 425 degrees for 12 minutes. They're nice and golden brown. They smell great. I can't wait to dig in. Well, thank y'all for joining us. And stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with the Cajun. Bella, you want some?